In our life also, there's so many spots in our past or the journey which called Chitkabre, means spot. I'm not naked. I can't be naked in front of 200 people. And Indian cinema, they will never allow a frontal naked nudity. See, I have got different image in this country. Okay, self-made man I am. I have no godfather. I had my own style, Zindagi, Jhandba, Fir bhi Ghamandba, and the same guy, who's like, they stopped showing these pictures anymore. But till now, I'm already naked in front of the country. So damage isn't done. Okay. I have got a very unique way of punishment in this movie when I get back after 15 years. So amazing task for me. Maza aaya karke. In our life also, there's so many spots in our past or the journey which called Chitkabre, means spot. Spot can be a good spot or bad, or sometimes it's ugly. So here the story begins and the character begins, the journey of life, friends, their wives, their girlfriends, extramarital, wildness, madness, emotion. There is no emotion, there are no commitments in relationship, betrayal, a lot of colors. It was there in different characters, the people who are evil force surrounded to me in my life, which I call them evil force, though they were all innocent. They realize also whatever happens to them in future. But that I thought, let's go ahead, this is like a proper workshop and I will learn so many things doing this film, and I said yes to this cinema. But here is a different story where I've been just stripped naked and done all that possible things with me, with these boys and girls. They do it in my university. And I don't, so this is very real cinema where I cried, till my undergarments I got stripped. It's still all real. All the characters are real. All the actors are superb. Amazing bunch of actors are coming with lovely performances. So you'll see good photography, good DOP Raja Babu, good written Masoom, everybody, Sunnita Arora, everybody has. You'll find a lot of good talent will come up. Not only it will benefit me if the movie runs, God willing, but it will help everybody. There's so many good actors the industry will find now.
नहीं यार, सीरियसली मैन, मैंने ये पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं की है।
बुद्धो
नहीं यार, मैं तो आज ही आया मुंबई से।
पर की फर्क पैंदा है? अपनी गेट टुगेदर हो गई, कॉलेज की मेमोरीज रिफ्रेश हो गई, मजा आ गया। सामना होगा।
इन भयभीत चेहरों को देखने के लिए मैंने 15 वर्ष प्रतीक्षा की है।
वो सिर्फ एक मजाक था।
मैं मानता हूँ हमने तुम्हारे साथ कुछ ज्यादा ही कर दिया।
तुम आखिर चाहते क्या हो?
Ragger should be punished any which way. If you're a ragger, you're inhuman. You should be punished. And he comes back for that punishment. He comes back with that revenge. And he has to, because that is what I believe life is all about. You must, if you did wrong, you've done wrong, you must be punished, and you should be punished. This is what I believe in. And punishment level is different. I'm not saying that you have to kill the person or hammer the person. And I've chosen a different styles, and thanks to my director and the script, that I have got a very unique way of punishment in this movie when I get back after 15 years. So amazing task for me. मजा आया करके, full rush.
साला बोलता है किसी की जान जरूर लेगा। अरे मेंटल है साला, छोड़ेगा नहीं किसी को।
शायद मैं ही बनूंगा इसकी बलिक का आखिरी बकरा।
मृत्यु सुनिश्चित है।
I tried this earlier in Tere Naam with Salman Khan. Is going innocent, and exactly my father is priest, so I definitely inherited from him. But going again extreme in the same movie and psychotic, going black from white, there is no, like, very different and very difficult also for me. It was a task, but I thank him, I thank the entire team. They supported me. But definitely, it was a not easy task for me. For that, I was little loner, on the shoot, and I was not very mixed up with the people because I wanted to play revenge game also on the set with them. I've tried little bit, but yes, I've got it done. It was there, little of my psychoness was there in luck, but this is something I've never tried before. As an actor, I really enjoyed it. I freaked out. It was like, wow kind of a feeling. Shuddh Hindi, language, philosophy, revenge. So play for one actor is a complete full rice plate, संपूर्ण भोजन.
सामाजिक पशु ना सामाजिक बन पाया ना पशु बन पाया. आप लोगों की पत्नियों के पास 24 घंटे हैं.
साला बोलता है किसी की जान जरूर लेगा.
I'm not naked. I can't be naked in front of 200 people. And Indian cinema, they will never allow a frontal naked nudity, no matter what the script demands. So definitely, I'm not a naked as naked, which is shown in the newspaper, I was so hurt and angry. It was morphed on whatever the newspaper you're seeing. It's not the real Ravi Kishan. My face is there, definitely. My half part, I don't know from where Sunit or some of his production house must have whose leg, because my body is very tan and the leg were very fair, which is not real. I'm tan completely, you know. So I got to know, okay, it's morphed. That is what I've caught. The photograph is not, the legs are not mine. So definitely the center portion also is not mine. See, I have got different image in this country. Okay, self-made man I am. I have no godfather. I had my own style, Zindagi, Jhandba, Firbhi, Ghamandba. And the same guy, you know, who's like worked hard and made his own place and made his own, you know, God has been kind. I've got my own industry, which God has blessed me with, and my own community. And then after the Big Boss, the country started loving me all over the world, and my performance in the various cinemas with various directors, with, you know. So I have different respect for me. If I come with, and I hold a family back, so I come with anything like this, it doesn't go with my personality, it doesn't go with Ravi Kishan. You know, I don't need to. 20 years back, I struggled so much not to come and straight after 20 years get naked in front of the country, nation, who made me superstar also, or stardom they gave me. So, but it came, it hurt, and I spoke, and Sunit said, sorry, and we just then went on, like, we can't harm the film. We can't, because it was his intention, and he stopped also, or his production, whoever tried that, they stopped showing these pictures anymore. But till now, I'm already naked in front of the country. So damage isn't done, okay. So here comes Chitkabre, 26th August, must watch.
This guy is a psycho.
शायद मैं ही बनूंगा इसकी बलिक का आखिरी बकरा.
मृत्यु सुनिश्चित है. ये सिंह नाम जाना, वो अभी नहीं मिलता.
अल्लाह माफ कर.